This is a hustle. This is a job. This is a business that requires no money. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha, and today I will be showing you guys how to be a successful YouTuber within the palm of your hand. So it really doesn't take much to make a video on YouTube. This video is going to be all about me giving you guys tips and all of the tea on recording a great quality video on your iPhone. Before we dive into this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and you haven't already subscribed. What are you doing, sis? Join the family. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because you already know it's gonna be lit, period. Now that you've already subscribed to my channel, let's go ahead and get into the video. Before I give you guys the tips on recording on your iPhone, I just want to give y'all a little bit of background on me. I started out recording YouTube videos and iPhone 6. It's a little cracked up, y'all. It's just toe up. I started making money with this phone. Like, I'm not ever throwing this phone away. This is my good luck charm. If anything ever happens to anything that I use to record, I'm gonna go back to my baby. So it doesn't matter about what type of phone you have. It just depends on what you do to make your phone look good. This is a hustle. This is a job. This is a business that requires little to no money. I'ma say it again. This could be your business that you can start with little to no money. There's not many businesses that you can start with no money, just out of the comfort of your own home, making money while you sleep on your iPhone. This is a great way to start. I know everybody wants to buy a camera and have the best quality when they're starting YouTube, but that's just not reality. Sometimes you just may not have the money, you may not have the funds. You can't afford to buy a camera just to record videos and not make any money from it as soon as you start. A camera is good and all, but my preference when starting a YouTube channel, I always tell anybody that ever asks me to start with your iPhone, especially if you're on a budget. Your iPhone camera may be 2 times better than the quality on your camera. Y'all know that some of these cameras be trash. Why not use it and you already paid thousands of dollars on your phone? You have a $1,000 phone in the palm of my hand? Sis, use your phone. And if all else fails and you attempt the YouTube life and try to create content and it just doesn't work for you, you've wasted money. So don't waste your money. Try to avoid and save and do it the smart way. You don't have to buy a stand for your camera. You don't have to buy a ring light starting off. You can just use natural light from the window and you can just prop your phone up, improvise. Before you actually start recording your video, you want to make sure that you clean your lens, sis. You do not want a blurry lens when you're recording a YouTube video. Please clean your lens. When recording, whether you're filming a vlog, you're doing a sit-down video like me, or you're doing a how-to video like others, make sure that you record horizontally. You want to make sure that you record like this. When you do try to edit your video and upload it on YouTube, it doesn't have like those black boxes on the side of your face. It's like a Snapchat video or something. You don't record on YouTube like this. I hate when I see people doing that. That is key. You want to make sure that it looks presentable. So make sure that you record like this. So if you're propping your phone up and you're doing a sit down video like me, prop it up like this. So you're gonna put it on something, put something behind it so that it sits like this. Focus your camera. Most people do not tell you that when they tell you about recording on your iPhone. You have to focus your camera. So you're gonna pull up your camera. I'm sorry, I'm just all over the place, but I gotta let y'all know. Hold the screen down until it says AE lock. So press and hold your screen down in the middle so that it can focus on the lighting that is already in, and it's gonna say AE lock. There's a little sun looking thing on the side of it once it's actually locked, and you just go up or you go down. If you want it darker, you go down. If you want it brighter, you go up. It's like fixing the exposure on your video. And that is very valuable, especially if you're like gonna be moving around. Like if I was doing this and I didn't have my AE lock on, the camera is gonna like focus wherever you move. The lighting is just gonna be trash. I'm gonna show y'all how it look. If you can wait, beat up put my hands on you, boy, you feel that you love your body, and you're waiting for it. So this how it looks if you didn't adjust your exposure and you have your AE lock off. Trash, right? You don't want people seeing that in your video. Now, I had to learn that the hard way. A lot of my old videos, I didn't turn my AE lock on and adjust my exposure. So it was just all over the place. But I want to help y'all, so don't do that, okay? I know I have said this so many times throughout this video, but this right here is a key thing. It's so important. This is the thing that makes or break your video. It's editing. And what better way to do it than your phone? You can edit your video wherever you want to. In the palm of your hand, sis. You can edit your videos on your iPhone, whether you're at school, work, out to eat, with friends, relatives' house, wherever. And it's so much easier. Instead of spending money on a software for a computer or your laptop, there's free apps to edit your videos. Like, I don't know. Either y'all just don't want to do YouTube or y'all just got too many excuses. Y'all just don't want to be on YouTube. I get it. It's too much. It's really not. Take these valuable key points and apply them to your YouTube channel, and I promise you're gonna succeed. This is the easiest thing, and it's so easy to the point where you don't have to continue to do it this way. Once you actually get used to this and you know this is what you want to do, you improve it. So if, let alone down the line, you want to buy you a ring light, you want to buy a backdrop, you want to buy you a mic, you want to buy you a camera, you can. It's just the start. Start off with your iPhone. I promise you're going to be thanking me later. If you're planning on starting you a YouTube channel or you already have one, comment down below and let us know what your channel is about and what you will be doing, and hopefully you gain a subscriber off your girl Miesha LeVay. We're all here to support one another. I can't wait to see y'all beautiful videos all throughout this platform, starting out on your iPhone. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is Miesha LeVay_. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it so helpful. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye. Yeah.